Guys, as the part of the options all go ecosystem. So as we have already added a strategy lab, so as we here we can see about strategy and all. So today we just developed another thing like integrated a trading journal. So with this you can sign out. So you can register actually. So already I have registered this one. So you can register here. So with your username, mail ID, and password. It's so simple. So after registering, so you can log in with your password. So here's the dashboard actually. So with this you can see about the total trades you just added before manually. So today I haven't traded actually. It's a Saturday, so the win rate is around 63%. So open trade, here you can see about the open trades and all. So this is the overview. So this is the mind's journal actually. So we can add about what kind of mindset we are in this while taking the trades and all. So it will be useful to control our emotions and trading psychology. So here you can see that. So from this dashboard itself you can add a trade actually. So time symbol. So I have just added some symbols and all. So you can manually type it too. So other like the stocks and all. So I'm just going with a NIFTY. So you can know about the call. So what is the strategy? Okay, I'm just going with support bounce. So the strike price is around 23. Okay, 500. So I will go with the lot 1. And the stop loss will be 23. Okay, 600. Okay, just going for 23. 400. Okay, will be right stop at 23. 600. Okay. So it will show like how are you feeling right now. So are you calm or focused or confident or FOMO trade? So are you anxious or revenge trading, bored or over trading, over excited or tired or fatigued? So here you can say about okay, I'm anxious but still I'm taking the trade. So I'm just like adding like okay, I'm not sure about this trade, but still I'm taking that trade. Why this will be useful? Like they will analyze these kind of things, like what not doing in the dashboard. Here you can like an audit later because it's an open trade, so it will open actually. So this is a thing we just created. So if you want, you can record exit. Okay, after reaching the targets and all. So whether we have followed our plan or deviated. So what is the reflection after the trade and all. So this is previous taking the trade and all. It's emotions. So it's after the trade. So we can we can check it in the trade emotionally here actually. This is the thing. See here you can see search about any symbol actually. So TCS. So these are all the things I have entered in TCS. It's a kind of sample one actually. So this is all not the real trades. So SBN. So I'm going to search for SBN and all. So clearly you can check and all. So what are the things at what time you just entered. So what's the quantity, what's the charges, what's the risk reward ratio and all. So you can see about the things you were past like trades and all. So in an easy manner, what was your mindset actually. So you can follow this kind of same pattern. If you're going to win a trade, you can follow this same thing actually. In the meanwhile you can delete actually the trade and all. So this is the trades and all. So in this dashboard we can see about the journal. So this is about the mindset we are in, overall mood actually. We can see about below average, very bad, okay, I'm good, or excellent. Okay, so what's all the things bullish. So I'm just expecting the NIFTY will be bullish today. So I'm just adding the hashtag. We just saved it. So this is the we just saved today. So this is our mood is okay, fine and all. So it will some different kind of mood and a different time, different days actually. So here comes the analytics actually. So this is the overall analytics. This is the overall profit, this is the win rate, profit factor, loss streak. So we just lost around 2 trades actually. So average win and average lose, best trade, what's our best trade, what's the worst trade. So we can clearly see the overview. This is our profitability curve actually. So here we can see about over a period of time what was our curve and all. So this is the daily profitability. So whether we are profitable or not. So by setup, which is working actually. So we can see like whether the momentum is working or breakout or gamma scalp, which one work is like, we can see in it actually. So in which day, like, we are more like, profitable. For example, somebody will be profitable on expiry days actually. So here you can see about on which mode, like, we just perform well, whether you are perform well during the comma or anxious or FOMO and all. Most of the things, while we can see here clearly here the FOMO board or tire revenge trade will be always most of the time ended up in the loss actually. So here you can see about the performance in the simple. So in which like symbol we are performing, whether indices or stock, but in which like in which trades we are gaining more. So we can focus more on that actually. So here comes the emotional A, with this A and all. So we'll add this later, it will give instant insights actually. So here you can see about the comma trade, which is our winning rate is around 19%. While in the revenge trade, so there is loss of average around 3000. So here you can see about the curve actually, the pattern. So how our moods are like frequency of moods we can see actually. So based upon our past details, so we can have our overall idea, okay, whether we are confident or happy or FOMO or fear, or we are in a revenge trade. So plan adherence impact. So whether we are just follow the plan or we just deviated the plan. So if you are going to follow a plan, so we will earn more actually. We will ended up with a good good winning streaks. So here are the mood performance matrix. So in which what are the kind of trades you just traded actually, what's the average profit, win rate, verdict. So it will give like, okay, we can trade more with this when you are in this confident level. So you should avoid trading on this actually. So you can integrate this and all. So you can make it like for premium. So we are going to add some more things in future. So just share with your friends who is like actively trading in Indian stock market. So it will be useful for them to develop emotional intelligence and psychology. So if you are like missing some features in this dashboard, just comment below. We will add it later. Thanks for watching.